toy, gecko, Owlet, Luna Girl, and Romeo. Whoa! Welcome back to tons of toys. Hey, today we got all the characters from the PJ Masks, and today they're here to learn some colors. The colors we have today are blue, green, red, orange, and purple. If you like the PJ Masks or you like learning colors, take a second and give this video. Alright my friends, today we are going to roll out all of our Play-doh with our rolling pin, and then we are going to use our cookie cutter cutouts to make some awesome shapes. Now you see a different color is in front of each one of our PJ Masks, and whoever ends up with the coolest cookie cutter cutout will win a toy surprise at the end of this video. Alright, which color should we start with first? Should we start with purple, red, blue, green, or orange? How about we start with Luna Girl's orange over here? So for our orange Play-doh, let's use this red cookie cutter cutout. Whoa, look how good this cookie cutter cutout looks! It looks like a little hat. And this little hat is for Luna Girl. Alright, Luna Girl got an awesome orange cookie cutter cutout hat. Let's see what everybody else gets. How about we do the green Play-doh next? What cookie cutter cutout should we use on our green Play-doh? How about a purple shoe cookie cutter cutout? Whoa, look how well that turned out! It looks like Gecko has a green shoe! This is an awesome green shoe! Okay, so it looks like we have an orange hat, a green shoe. Let's see what we get when we roll out the blue Play-doh. Alright, what cookie cutter cutout should we use on the blue Play-doh? How about a green dress cookie cutter cutout? Oh, whoa! Look at this blue dress! It turned out terrific! Let's roll out red. Okay, what cookie cutter cutout should we use on our red Play-doh? How about a green purse with little hearts? Look at that! I think that Owlet is gonna love her little red purse. Alright, we got Owlet with a red purse! It turned out great! Romeo, you're up next. Let's roll out your purple Play-doh. Alright, what cookie cutter cutout should we use on our purple Play-doh? How about a blue choo-choo train? Whoa, look at that! It's a purple choo-choo train. Okay, we have 5 cookie cutter cutouts, 1 for each of our awesome PJ Masks characters. Which one is the best? Is it Luna Girl and her orange hat, Gecko and his green shoe, Catboy and his blue dress, Owlette and her red purse, or Romeo and his purple choo-choo train? YouTube friends, which one of these cookie cutter cutouts did you think was the best? Make sure to comment down below with the best cookie cutter cutout. Now, since I can't decide, I think that they all look great. I think that we're gonna give a toy surprise to all of our PJ Masks. Here's our toy surprise. Oh, whoa! We got a Steven Universe Original Minis Rocker! Now, if you look at the back, there is 7 different options that you can collect. You can get Steven, Amethyst, Garnet, Pearl, Greg, Lion, or a rare mystery one. Now, of all of these 6 characters, which one is your favorite? Let us know by commenting down below. Let's open it up. Oh, I wonder what it is. Oh, wow. Look at this. This little guy is purple and pink with black hair. And he is super fun to roll around. Look at him roll back and forth. Now, do we remember the name of this little guy? In case you forgot, we do. That is Garnet. Let's rock him one more time. Whoa. Well, friends, if you enjoyed hanging out with the PJ Masks and learning some colors with some Play-doh and some cookie cutter cutouts, make sure to take a second and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Tons of Toys. And before you go, click on the little bell in the top right-hand corner of your screen. That way, you know whenever a new Tons of Toys video comes out. Take care. Bye-bye.